It is reassuring to see so many committed professionals present here who are active in this really vital, important sector to save people's lives. It is your tireless and dedicated work that the health and well-being of countless of individuals is ensured, and whose very lives are profoundly improved by your support and care. I can assure you that your invaluable work does not go unnoticed. Patients and their families are full of praise for your care and dignity that you give to them. We are extremely proud of you. As President of Malta, my work brings me in contact with many individuals and their families who experience precarity or vulnerability. I come in contact with people who are living in poverty, with people at risk of social exclusion, and with people whose lives have been disrupted by illness. This is our experience through the Malta Community Chest Fund Foundation. Through the work of various entities, the Presidency reaches out to the people of Malta and Gozo in order to create meaningful and positive changes in their lives. Among these entities is the President's Foundation for the Well-being of Society, which creates spaces for dialogue, consultation, and the sharing of knowledge among the different communities of our nation. One recurring outcome from the consultations held by the President's Foundation is the need that our people feel for access to environmental health and well-being. This is especially clear in what we hear from children and young people who are active contributors to our consultations. Last week, such environmental concerns were echoed at the very first conference on care in oncology, which I was pleased to inaugurate. This conference brought together for the first time all stakeholders in the medical and caring professions to discuss a united effort for a more holistic oncology care plan for our patients. Furthermore, the work of the National Cancer Platform, established through the Presidency last year, has voiced a similar need for increased awareness into the underlying causes of certain environmental conditions. The platform brings together 15 civil society organizations working with cancer patients in Malta and their families to create a more holistic approach to the services provided by them. It is essential that all of our efforts keep the dignity and well-being of each member of society as central to our work. We must strive to ensure that all individuals, particularly those at risk of vulnerability or exclusion, are empowered to achieve the best quality of life. The provision of these services is further proof of the strong ties that link Malta and the United Kingdom through a bilateral health agreement established in 1975. While our nation continues to strive for excellence in many areas of medical specialization, there are still instances where people need more targeted and specialized care, which is most readily available in the United Kingdom. The Malta Community Chest Fund Foundation is invaluable in providing much-needed financial assistance to people in need of these services. Besides supporting patients going abroad for treatment, the Malta Community Chest Fund Foundation also offers financial, material, and professional support to people experiencing difficulties because of severe chronic illnesses, to persons with disability, and to people living in poverty. For this reason, the fund spends over €250,000 each month in expenses to provide for this assistance and support. In order to be in a position to do so, the Malta Community Chest Fund Foundation relies on the generosity of the people of the Maltese Islands, as well as the social conscience of private sector contributors. My heartfelt gratitude goes out to each person who contributes in the knowledge that they are contributing to the well-being of individuals, families, and the whole of society in our nation. Let me also extend once again my deepest thanks to the many doctors, specialists, and healthcare professionals like yourselves who work tirelessly on behalf of our patients. You embody the spirit of solidarity that we must foster in our communities and across our country. We must reach out and provide all the support we can to people in their moment of greatest need. I can assure you that you are an inspiration to us all. You are an example of the core values which our nation treasures above all others. These include a sense of fundamental respect for the dignity of all life and the resilience to keep working on behalf of others, ensuring the well-being of each and every person. Thank you, and please do enjoy the evening.